you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another video with Ashimary hair. They sent me over this reddish brown wig. I think it's a reddish brown wig. I mean, it looks like my other reddish brown wigs, but it's just a little bit more ginger, but I don't think I would consider it ginger. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys would consider this ginger or reddish brown. I'm trying to like figure out how I want to do the front part right here, and I think I'm gonna just leave it like this. I don't know if I like this little that little thing. Hold on. Okay, I think this is good enough for me. I don't know, I might go ahead and curl it and do it like a little bit different, but I think it's still pretty cool. This wig came pre-curled, so if you guys want to see how I install, this is a full frontal. So if you want to see how I install and did this hairstyle, let's get right into this video. I unboxed everything for you, so you're going to see everything that came in the box, and also how I did the front piece. So yeah, let's get right into this video.
Time spent, can't afford minute less, I mean it more. No, who's not around to share another go around with me. Long ago, where'd they go? No one knows. Tell me what to do with no one your love I've gone missing. My God, I lost you at the corner. On God, I lost you in the moment. Why now and not till it's too later? Tell me how the world seems to get so long without you, yeah. Yeah. Tell me how to keep my world moving on without you. Yeah. How can my world be much better off without you? You on the inside looking out. Wanna take a life and they can't get back home. Mom says crying for the both of them, holding on to pictures cause she can't hold either you. Without you, yeah. Both of these lies would have carried on without you, yeah. Maybe the world would be much better off without you. What about the other life? Would it be a better life? You said it was hoping for a better life than this. I don't wanna wish your life away. What about the other life? Would there be a better life? You said it was hoping for a better life than this. I don't wanna wish your life away. My God, I lost you at the corner. On God, you lost it in the moment. Why now and not till it's too later? Tell me how the world seems to get along without you. Tell me how to keep our world moving on without you. How can my world be much better off without can't sleep without you, think without you, eat without you, speak without you, be without you. I can't even breathe without you. I can't feel without you, deal without you, spin without you. My whole world is upside down. Don't wanna go out 'cause I can't ride without you. Feel like I'm gonna die without you. What is a girl supposed to do when I spend my last time to be in your life? I don't wanna be without you.
I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I think this is cute. I think it's flat enough and it's as best as I could do, okay? Hold on. So yeah, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. This is how the hairstyle turned out. I think it looks really freaking good. And I also did not touch up the back curls, just this piece in the front, so I can make sure that it's laying good. But these curls are really pretty for it being like pre-curled and everything straight out of the packaging. All I did was use like a big brush like this and kind of just fluffed it out like that. And I think this looks so freaking gorgeous. So yeah, I will link Ashimary hair links down below and their company links, everything like that. If you guys are interested in this wig, I definitely recommend that you check them out for this wig. It didn't give me no problems or nothing like that. You guys already seen how seamless it installed. So yeah, this hair turned out really, really great. Comment down below if you like how this looks. This is definitely giving birthday vibes. So if you're looking for some birthday hair inspiration, highly recommend that you do this hairstyle for your birthday. You will not regret it. Okay guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next video.
I can make your bed right, girl. I can make your bed right.